That's a lot of snow, Bull. We should clear the main road first. All right, let's fire this up and start moving snow. Nice and slow, Bull. Let's start with the main lane. Perfect line, Bull. Keep it straight toward the gate.
All right, steady now. We'll clear this right up to the excavator.
Just watch that deep spot by the fence line.
Whoa! This part is too deep, Bull. We'll need the excavator for this section. We'll need this excavator running if we're gonna break through all this snow. Come on, start up for us. We've got a lot of snow to break through today. Looks smooth, Bear. The hydraulics are waking up just fine. Okay, angle it just like that, right into the deepest part.
Got it. Lining up the bucket now. Steady pressure.
Okay, hold it right there. Now curl it gently.
Copy that. Scooping now.
All right, here comes our first scoop. This drift is packed tight. Great scoop, Bear. Keep clearing that trench so the animals can get fresh air. Depth, Bear. Just a bit wider, and the animals will have a clear path. Perfect drop, Bear. This pile will help block the wind from the barn. Nice work, Bear. The doorway is almost clear. Just one or two more scoops. That should help keep the barn warmer. One more scoop and we'll break through.
Great job. Keep it up.
Great job, Bear.
I can actually see the barn floor now.
Entrance is clear. The animals are gonna breathe a lot easier now.
All right, next up is that section by the fence.
Got it! Looks like a big one, but we'll have it clear by lunch. Start with that center lane, Bull. I'll break down the bigger chunks on the side. This is looking good, Bear. The yard's really opening up now. Almost there, Bull. Just a few more passes and the yard will be completely clear. Looks clean from here, Bear. The yard hasn't been this clear since before the storm. The slope evens out right here. We should follow this path. Agreed. That should divert the meltwater away from the barn. Bear, the water's already moving this way, Hadade. Our trench should follow this line. All right, Bear. The trench goes right along that line.
Got it, Bull. Firing her up now.
All right, Bull. I'll start with a shallower cut so we can guide the water gently. Perfect, right there. That should handle the meltwater.
Yeah? The flow rate looks good now.
Nice! The meltwater's moving just right. Hey, keep that angle steady, Bear. This load is heavy, Bull. Be ready, Ben. I'm dropping it right in front of your forks. This soil's thick, but the trench is working. Water's flowing faster now. That's one load down. I'll be right back for the next one, Bear. Look at that flow, Bull. The meltwater's draining perfectly now. Keep removing that section, Bull. The trench angle is almost perfect now. Once you're low, Bull, drop the soil near the fence, Fishy. We'll build the drainage wall there. This drainage wall is holding great. The water's staying in the trench perfectly. Perfect, Bear. The water's speeding up. Just the slope we need. The channel's clearing up nicely. Just a few more loads and it'll be perfect. Perfect placement, Bull. That wall is keeping all the water right where it should be. Flow looks great, Bear. This trench might just save the whole yard from flooding. Look at that flow, Bear. The whole trench is working perfectly from start to finish. We did it, Bull. The meltwater won't flood the yard anymore. That's the excavator sorted. Let's check the whole trench before we wrap up.
The flow seems steady, Barnaby.
Aye, but these banks are softer than a lullaby. We best reinforce them before the next thaw.
Look how smooth that run is. The whole system is draining just the way we planned. All right, Bear. Let's get the machines home before sunset.
Long day, huh, Bear?
Yep, glad to be heading in. Smells like supper. Great teamwork today, Bull. That trench will protect the whole farm this season. All secure. Back up the telehandler. We're ready for the next one.
Reversing now. Nice work, Bear.
Nice smooth cut again, Bear.
Thanks. This one's almost ready. Stand by to lift. Okay, Bull. Lift the forks out nice and easy. Got it. Pulling back now. Hold it there. Perfect. Now start lowering slowly. Lowering the boom. Nice and steady. Coming straight. You're lined up perfectly so far. Roger that. Moving slow. Looking good, Bear. That first section should be solid.
Yep, just a few more passes and it'll drop clean.
Bring the forks right under this log.
On my way. Moving in now.
A little more to the left, Bull. Keep it straight.
Copy that. Adjusting now. It's falling right side. Watch out!
I see it. Holding steady.
All right, Bull. I'm firing it up. Stay clear.
Copy that. I'll hold position.
Looks like a clean cut, Bull. She'll fall right where we need her.
Excellent work, mechanic. Wow, look at that beauty. This is gonna be a big job.
Don't you worry. I've got just the thing. Let's fix this tree right up.
Nice! That's exactly the shape we need.
Great. I'll swing back for the next scoop.
Perfect height. Go ahead and dump it there.
All right, dumping now.
All clear. You can swing the boom to the right. Swinging now, holding the bucket steady.
Good. Keep the bucket tilted. Cut a little deeper.
Copy. Adjusting the angle now.
Perfect. Bring it down just a little more. Lowering now. Tell me when it's spot on.
Start right here. Just follow this line.
Understood. I'll line up the boom.
Nice and smooth. Keep that pace. Got it. Aligning with the path now.
Nice and slow, Bull. Let's start with the main lane.